Tell me you ever seen this many flies before. Everywhere. Everywhere. All on the walls. Everywhere. They so loud too. Damn.
It's a day one, you running right back. Say the drama, you running.
Man, look at this. I wish y'all could see this. I wish y'all could see this. A man over here chilling. I'm from Louisiana.
I'm on the way, I'm on the run, baby. Leave me alone, take it by now.
Here we are.
Say you want chance to hold it on me, I feel now hold it back.
Little hot spring action. Getting up the side of this mountain.
Tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damage.
Y'all see the day at the Jemez Springs, 105 degrees. Don't get no better than this. It really don't.
Baby girl, I was yours and you are my world. Tell me what you wanna do for me now. Take you down and I will hold you to run my race. Cause you run it right there. Run my race cause you take it right there. I've been down, I've been running.
What's dandelions good for?
Man, dandelions real good, man. The root, the flower, the whole stem. You're talking good for liver detoxing, cleansing the blood. People who got the big C word, they call it cancer. It's really a degenerative cell. It helps with that, you know. Very, very good with that. Gives you some of that dandelion in. You get your kidneys back functioning, get them back rolling. That's something you want inside your body. The whole thing. And it's edible.
You know where I need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages, no. So tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now.
The red road. The red road.
Need to be now, cause I'm done with it now.
Alright, yo. Let's record it. Let me stop. I'm just playing. No, I'm not finished. All in the walls, all in the... And no telling what's in that shit. Could be housing these type of animals. We have 8,000, 9,000 feet. Caldera, Super Volcano. Man, that little hill right there. Apparently that'd be the first hill. Old man's beard, Yarrow. Toenail fucked up. Can you believe I took my whole toenail off in a hot spring? The whole toenail, the whole thing, bleeding everything. So now I gotta walk down the mountain all the way back to the car, and it's gonna be very interesting, but we good though. You know I'm gonna be all right. Advantage wrapped up. This right here is yarrow. Yarrow can be used as an antiseptic, as an inside triple antibiotic. There it is. Squish it up, the dark green, that's yarrow. And then the big one is this all bushiness, that's it's bearded man and acts as a gauze. So let's get this right. The whole toenail came off. Man. All right. So we about to try to get down there too, the actual waterfall. Man, look at that thistle. Look all that mullein. Look all this medicine. The butterfly know. The butterfly know. The bees know. The bees know. Yeah. Look at this, man. This is paradise. Ooh. Look, she thick. Here go your medicine right here. It's a liver healer right here. Liver healer. Lung healer. Liver. Man, come on. Stop playing with Mother Nature, man. Look at that. And we ain't even talking about the pine in the back. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's called yellow dock. Look at that. In the mountains. We're in the mountains with it. Look at that. Yellow dock. All down there. Yellow dock. High in iron. High in iron. Cleanser. Big for the female reproductive right here. Yeah. That's that yellow dock, man. Y'all see that? That's that blue vervain. Look at that. That's that blue vervain right there. Mountain stuff, man. All down there, blue vervain. Medicine. Looks hurt. Oh yeah, he's hurt. He must have got rolled over. Look at him rolling. Oh, he's a hurt one. Watch my back. God. That's a big boy. Damn. That cloud right there, underneath me, it dropped out the sky. Along with those. We're above that cloud right now. In the middle of the forest. It dropped out the sky. Crazy. We on our way to the waterfalls. And out of nowhere, we just go through this big, thick ass cloud. Hailstone. Got my dog Nova with me. What up? It's the middle of the summer. Middle of the summer. Hey, middle of the summer, you heard the man. I'm gonna try to stick this out the window. Get off this road. We ain't got no tents. We gonna be out here straight primitive making stuff in a hailstorm. It was just 80 degrees. It was 83 degrees 5 minutes ago. Now we in it. We in the mud now. Now we in the regular rain. The temperature is like in the 30s now. So it got so cold so fast. That is a project of weather modification, cloud seeding itself, geoengineering by yours truly. Your world leaders and world governments and the U.S. government, all of them. And here we are in the mountains. We ain't even in the cities. We somewhere where they freely just do the shit. And here it is. Here it is. No over there. Yeah.